Hi everyone, this is the 12th video in algebra series and I'm covering section 10.11 system of linear equations. So before everything I need to mention two little hints and that is going to lead us to the general method of solving linear equations. The first one is we can multiply any equation by any number besides 0 and that won't change our result, that won't change our answer. The second one is we can add or subtract any two equations from each other and our answer will be the same thing. It's not gonna make any difference in our answer. So let's go ahead and start with the system of two linear equations, or in other words, two equations, two unknown. I'm going to have right here ax plus b equals to cy, and the second one gonna be dx plus e equals f times y. So remember I said we can multiply any number by any equation and we can add or subtract equations to each other. So our whole point is from two equation, two unknown, to get to the point of one equation, one unknown. So it means we need to get rid of one of our unknown. We need to get rid of one unknown. And we can do that by multiplying one of the equations by coefficient or two of them by coefficient and either add or subtract them from each other and eliminate one of our unknowns. For example, if we multiply the first one by negative d over a, which is not equal to 0, we are able to get rid of x in both equations and we are going to be left out with y and a bunch of numbers. So let's go ahead and take a look at actual example. So our example is 2x plus 5 equals 7y, and the other one is 6x plus 3 equals 15y. So as you see, I can get rid of x easily by multiplying the upper equation by negative 3. So I multiplied by negative 3, I'm going to be left out with negative 6x negative 15 equals negative 21y. As you see, I multiply negative 3 by every single term. And the second one, I don't multiply by anything, I just rewrite it. And as I said, these two are equal because I just multiplied that one by numbers, so it's the same equation. So now I can add these two equations. I'm going to be left out with 0x minus 12 equals negative 21 plus 15 would be 6y. Actually negative 6y, and my answer is y equals 2. In order to find the x, I can replace y with 2 in any of these two equations. I'm gonna do it in the equation number 2. So 6 times x plus 3 equals 30. So 6x equals 30 minus 3. So x is equal 27 divided by 6. Or in other words, 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. That's my answer. There is a graphical aspect of this question as well, and we can take a look at it like that. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. These two lines are not parallel and are not the same thing, so they are going to have only one answer. They're going to intersect at one point This is going to be my first line, for example, and this is going to be my second line. And this point, which I call it point A, is the answer for this equation. And point A has x and y. The x is going to be determined from this equation, and y is going to be determined from the same equation. So that's why you can replace y in any of those two equations, because the point A is on both of these lines, is on first and the second line. So you can replace y in any of those equations and you will going to get the same exact answer. Again, thanks for watching our video. I'm going to post the Google Drive account on the first comment. Feel free to ask us any question at learnmathfastonline@gmail.com. Have a good one.